Just a little update on the apartments. I haven't shown anything in quite a while. So we replaced all the front windows. Everything is painted in here. Ceiling, put in brand new fans. Painted the walls. So we're waiting on flooring, and that's just a hold up on me. I have a company coming to install it. Here's the front apartment's front bedroom. Look, it comes with an ensuite. No, just kidding. That's the toilet. It'll be moved into the bathroom. Closet. It's not a huge bedroom. That's the shower surround. I'm waiting to put that in until the flooring goes in. Brand new ceiling fan. Everything's painted. New lights. This one's kind of a brand new mini split into the kitchen. Brand new countertop, brand new cooler sink, brand new hot water tank, built a closet around it. I have the door in the next room over, I gotta put on there. Waiting for flooring again. Here's the bathroom. So front apartment we could do flooring in right now, but we're waiting to get the whole building up to the same level. Brand new shower. That was fun to install, let me tell you. So front apartment. Then we're coming into the hallway. This is the front steps that lead up here. Needs all new flooring, but it's all painted. I rebuilt the whole ceiling in here and put in actual lighting so you can see what's going on in here. That took a couple weeks. This here, it's kind of messy right now. This is going to be the laundry room. So got all my supplies and tools in here. This is where the tenants will be able to do laundry. This doorway going to that apartment, you'll actually walk from that apartment into a closet inside of this room. And then there'll be a closet here for the front apartment and a closet here for us, so we can keep some ladders and different stuff up here, so when we got to do maintenance on the building, it's already here. So then back out, original doors, pretty cool. Here's where we come into this apartment. This was the meth mansion. So here's that doorway back in there. Their bedroom is right here. So you can see I got ceiling tore out still, but we're getting new air conditioning put in this unit. So painted that wall, new windows, painted the doors. This whole ceiling is tore out so that we can get new lighting. Here's all the lighting panels I'm going to use. There's the furnace. We're going to get an air conditioner attached to that and a brand new hot water tank. Here you come into the kitchen. We're waiting for cabinets. I'm waiting on Home Depot to get them to me. Bathroom needs a new window. The tenants busted that out, but I got it painted. It's ready to go. Put in the new window, flooring. We should be good to roll. Everything's painted in this apartment. So this is their living room slash dining room. Painted the back wall here. This is a really good sized living room actually. There's the door for the closet in the front apartment. I just painted it back here while I was painting. So what you're looking in there is the kitchen. So it'll be stove to your right by the yellow ladder, and then all the cabinets will be to the left. This apartment has another closet up front, so lots of storage in these. Pretty cool view out the window. This is a building they just rehabbed. It's a brewery, going to be in Fond du Lac, a microbrewery. Cool view out the back window. Churches. Parking lot, that ain't so cool, but whatever. So here's your update. I got to run the AC duct through here. So the the heating duct is here, but we gotta hook up the vents where it'll drop the heat down in the apartment. There we are. That's your update.